Hey guys, welcome back to Code 4. Today we'll be solving IGCSE Computer Science Theory, Paper 1. The paper code is 0478/11 from May June 2019. So let's get started.
Hey
Hey
guys,
guys,
welcome
welcome
back.
back to
By using the given data, we
This
directly
video
prove
is
the
produced by
eighth chapter
IGCSE
of
Computer
our
Science
theory,
Theory.
that is
This is
security and data.
Question 5. The following text is stored as a text file. So we have to explain how lossless compression would compress this file. So this question is for 5 marks. So we need to write 5 points to get all those marks. Okay, so first, a compression algorithm is used and no data is removed in the process and the original file can be restored. Repeated words and pattern in the data are indexed or put into a table, are replaced with their index. Their positions are stored in a table, and the number of times the word or pattern appears is stored in the table. These are all some valid points, and if you write any 5 of these points, you will get all the marks for this question. But other methods of lossless compression will also be awarded marks. So, question 6. A law company holds a lot of sensitive data about its clients. So, it's currently requires employees to enter a username and a password to log into an account. And each password must be 8 letters. So the company wants to increase the security of its login system. They want us to identify 2 improvements the company could use to make it more secure and explain each improvement on how it increases the security. So first we can tell them to make the password require more characters, which means that the password will be harder to guess or crack, and will also mean more possible combinations. Next, we can tell them to use two-step verification or two-factor authentication, which adds an additional level to hack, and they have to have the set device to receive the code. They can also use drop-down boxes or on-screen keyboards to prevent the data being obtained using a keylogger. Other possible answers are given here. You can pause the video to read it if you want. Next, the law company wants to purchase a new file server. The company can purchase a server with either solid state storage or magnetic storage. After discussion, it decides to purchase a file server with magnetic storage. So they're asking us to explain why the company chose magnetic storage rather than solid state storage. So we have to give the positive reasons or the advantages of using magnetic storage. So we can write it has more read or write circles over its lifetime, which means it has greater longevity, which means it is likely to have a lot of read write functions each day. Read or write speed is sufficient, even though it is slower than solid state. Cheaper per unit of data stored, which means better value for the company to purchase. So So the law company can afford to buy a server with greater storage capacity. You can also write the answers that are given here. But we'll only be given a maximum of 3 marks if only benefits are given. We need to write explanation of each benefit. Okay. The law company uses optical storage. So we need to give 3 different examples of optical storage. So we can write DVD, CD, and Blu-ray. So next. Annie writes a paragraph of text as an answer to an examination question about programming languages. Using the list given, complete Annie's answer by inserting the correct 6 missing terms. Not all terms will be used. Okay, so the terms given here are assembly, converter, denary, hexadecimal, high level language, low level language, machine code, source code, syntax, and translator. Okay. So the structure of language statements in a computer program is called the syntax. A programming language that uses natural language statements is called a high-level language. By natural language statements, they mean English-like or like human, near human statements. When When programs are written in this type of language, they need a translator to convert them into machine code. Programming language that is written using mnemonic codes is called a assembly. An example of this type of language is low-level language. So question 8. An art gallery has a website that is used to display and sell art. The gallery uses a secure socket layer, which is SSL, to provide a secure connection when selling art. So we have to describe the process of SSL and how it provides a secure connection. So first of all, this question carries 6 marks. So if you write 6 of the points given here, you'll get all the marks. Okay, so first of all, SSL is a security protocol. It encrypts any data that is sent. It uses or sends digital certificates, which is sent to the buyer's browser or requested by the buyer's browser. The digital certificates contain the gallery's public key that can be used, and the digital certificates can be used to authenticate the gallery. Once the certificate is authenticated, the transaction will begin. The gallery also uses a firewall. 6 statements are given about firewalls. Tick to show if the statement is true or false. So first, firewalls are only available as hardware devices. That is false because they are available as hardware and software devices. Firewalls allow a user to set rules for network traffic. Yes, that is true. Firewalls will automatically stop all malicious traffic. That is false. Firewalls only examine traffic entering a network. That is false because it examines traffic entering and exiting a network. Firewalls encrypt all data that is transmitted around a network. That's false. Firewalls can be used to block access to certain websites. That is true. The art gallery is concerned about computer ethics relating to its website. Explain what is meant by computer ethics and why the art gallery is concerned about computer ethics. So here you have to write 4 points to get 4 marks. Okay, so first of all, computer ethics is a set of guidelines. These are rules or laws that govern the use of computers. Instead of saying this, an example can also be given to prove this exact same point. We, it'll tell people how to behave when using computers, or helps keep users safe when using computers. The art gallery could be subject to plagiarism, intellectual property theft, when other people claim that work to be theirs. Art gallery could copyright the work, which is to make it illegal for others to steal it. So that is the end of this past paper. Hope you understood and thank you for watching.